Welcome to our video on hydroponic gardening, where we explore the best herbs to grow in water-based systems. Today, we're diving into the top 3 herbs that not only thrive in hydroponics, but also bring fresh aromas and flavors to your dishes. Let's find out which herbs make the list: basil, mint, and parsley. Hydroponic gardening, an introduction. Hydroponics is a fantastic way to grow herbs, offering a clean and efficient alternative to traditional soil gardening. The ideal candidates for this method are herbs that love water, require minimal maintenance, and can enhance our meals with their fresh scents. Basil, mint, and parsley are perfect examples, each bringing unique benefits to your hydroponic garden. Basil, the aromatic choice. Basil stands out in hydroponic systems for several reasons. Its rapid growth means you'll have a steady supply of aromatic leaves to enhance your cooking. Because water and nutrients are delivered directly to the roots, basil plants grow healthier and stronger. This method also significantly reduces the risk of pests and diseases. The result? A year-round harvest of basil that's packed with flavor. Mint, refreshing and versatile. Mint is another herb that excels in hydroponic gardens. Its refreshing fragrance is perfect for a variety of uses, from culinary dishes and beverages to aromatherapy. Thanks to its vigorous growth, you'll have an abundant supply of mint leaves. Plus, its natural insect repellent properties and calming effects add extra value to your garden. Mint is not just about taste, it also offers medicinal properties, helping with digestion and nausea. Parsley, vibrant and flavorful. Parsley is a must-have in any hydroponic herb garden. It's versatile, adding a vibrant flavor to numerous dishes. Growing parsley hydroponically ensures a consistent and sustainable source of fresh leaves. While it's easy to cultivate, paying attention to the right nutrients and maintenance will yield a robust and continuous harvest. Parsley's ability to thrive in a controlled environment means you'll always have fresh herbs at your fingertips. Cultivation tips for hydroponic herbs. To succeed in hydroponic gardening, remember a few key tips. First, always ensure your herbs receive the right amount of water and nutrients. This direct delivery system is what makes hydroponics so effective. Secondly, maintaining controlled conditions helps keep pests and diseases at bay, ensuring your plants stay healthy and productive. By choosing herbs like basil, mint, and parsley, you're setting your hydroponic garden up for success.